For the ring, to secure the cord, I am using several types of tubes, but what I found out is the 8 millimeter, 8 or 8 mm suits well whether you are using just the nylon weaving or those double weave nylon. So in this case, if you notice, this is the tube, this is the laboratory tube that I was using, which I also used here. It just sits properly, but then when it comes to sturdiness, or it appears to me that this one is much better. Actually, sometimes we use this one for natural gas tubes, and it has a reinforcement. That's why if you notice here, it's not a clear tube, but there are weave of, I believe it's a fiberglass reinforced. So, and instead of using the pipe cutter, this one you don't. I'm using, instead of also the scissor, I'm using the galvanized GI sheet scissor to cut pieces of this one here. They cut well instead of this pipe cutter. So anyway, so just remember the tubes, the size of the tubes that we have to use is 8 millimeter.